10 free print on demand tools. Let's go. This video I'll be revealing the 2 winners for our last week's giveaway. So if you'd like to know if you won, definitely stick around to the end. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you the 5 free print on demand tools that you can use to start your print on demand business, or even use it to scale your print on demand business. It doesn't matter where and what level you are right now. You can use it as a beginner or as a pro. So without further ado, let me show you these tools. Before we do any t-shirt design, we need to first of all check if the words on the design is trademark. So for that, I use 2 tools. The first tool I use is this free one called, just type USPTO.gov on your browser and you'll be brought to this website. Then you go to trademarks, go search trademarks, search a trademark database, click basic word search, and here you type in the word you want to search for. So let's click Christmas. Is Christmas trademark? When you click enter, you'll see a bunch of words. Check if the word Christmas is trademark. As you can see, I don't see Christmas on its own because there are several Christmas words. There is Christmas jerkies, trademarked, but Christmas, the word Christmas on its own is not trademark. So Christmas is a good word to go with. It's not trademark. But let's take, for example, let's type Nike. Nike, we all know Nike, so Nike is definitely trademark. But we're just going to check it here, Nike, and see how it looks like if when a word is trademark. As you can see down here, Nike, here it is, and it says live. So don't try using a word like that if you see that it's live. So that's the first way to check for trademarks. The second way I check for trademarks is using Fly Upload. In this Fly Upload tool, let's take for example that you want to check if this word is trademark. Just highlight it and copy it, then go to Features, Trademark, Automated Check, and paste the word there. Click OK, and you will see down here it says motivation. It is a trademark word. You shouldn't use it. Let's take for example a word which is in trademark. Let's search for Johnny. Is not trademark. As you can see, is green check, ready to go. So these are the 2 tools I use to do my trademark check. The next step is to design your t-shirt. Probably a tool you'll be using for a while. I'm going to show you how you can use it to design a t-shirt. So Canva is a tool I'm talking about. I've used it. I used it when I was starting my print on demand journey. So I use it to design a lot of t-shirts. So I'm going to show you how and what I do. So go to create design and start with a custom dimension. I always start with 4500 by 5400 pixels because that's a standard dimensions for merch by Amazon, and I can use that dimensions to upload it to all the print on demand websites. So when I've entered the dimensions, I click create a new design. So once I've put in the dimensions, I come back to my home page. Then I open another tab searching for, I'm gonna exit this, I'm gonna type t-shirt. I'm trying to see t-shirt ideas. As you can see here, it says t-shirt. It's Christmas t-shirts, sports t-shirts, typography t-shirts. These are different types of t-shirts that you can create, but I'm just gonna go with the plain t-shirt. So this t-shirt dimensions is not optimized for merch by Amazon. That's why I'm not going to use this one. I'm using this. The reason why I created a second tab is just to get t-shirt ideas. As you can see right here, there are different t-shirt ideas you can use. This one says Thin Greek, my last shirt before laundry day, Santa's Little Helper. This is Christmas design. So that in different categories you can take a look at which one you want and change it to something better. because all of these here have been created by people. They are not your designs, so you can't just download and upload it to the print on demand platforms. So I'm gonna choose this one. It stood out to me. So I was thinking of something in the light of dream big. So I'm just gonna change this design. All right. Once I'm done with my design, I'm just gonna copy this and take it back to the first design. This one is in the 4500 by 5400 pixels, and I'm gonna paste it. Then scale it up. The reason why I didn't download it in the first design is because that one is not optimized for merge. So this one is, and I'm just gonna put a dark background because I always design for dark t-shirts, optimize my designs for dark t-shirts. So once I'm done with my design, I'm gonna download it. With Canva designs, you can't download a transparent background is because you're not using Pro. If you're using Pro, you'll have a transparent background design. So if you want to try Canva Pro, it's right here. Just click try Canva Pro, and here are the benefits. You can even try it free for 30 days. You'll definitely have access to all the elements right here. You know, if you look at the elements, some will say free. You can see here free, and others will say paid. Let me show you an example. Some will say free and others will say pro. So that's just how it is. So if you have the Canva Pro, everything will be free, and you can download a transparent background design. The Vexels t-shirt maker is another tool that you can use to create your t-shirt designs. So I'm just quickly going to show you how to whip up a t-shirt design in minutes. So the first thing you need to do is go to graphics. There are hundreds and thousands of graphics right here. So if you want and most of them are divided into categories: ribbons, icons, shapes, dividers, frames, badges. So if you want to view all, just click view all, and you can search for what you're looking for. Just scroll down. But for the purposes of this video, I already made a design. So you can also upload your design you already made, or you will make yours from scratch. And here are the graphics if you want to use a graphic. Here's a text if you want to write text, and they're already pre-made text badges right here, just like in Zazzle and in Canva, the same thing. And you can also search for your graphics. So I'm going to upload my design. So there's my design. I'm going to change that to a dark t-shirt. So we're going to go to the t-shirt mockup. I think we should probably change the model. So let's go with this one. And we're going to change the color of the t-shirt black. And maybe change the background too. I think I'll go with these leaves. On a dark t-shirt, a white or black background is preferable. So let's do this one. Yeah, I think this one is better. That's what this Vexels t-shirt maker gives you. It gives you the opportunity to change your backgrounds, change the color, change even the model. So there's a lot of versatility here. So once I'm done uploading my background, another thing that you need to know is that there are several layers. I uploaded just an image so that there's just one layer. But let's take, for example, let's go to graphics. Maybe I'll upload this squirrel. You come back to the layers and see that there are two layers. So if you want you can even mix, you can even rearrange the layers. If you want the squirrel to be on top, it's like this, and if you want the squirrel to be under, just like that. So I'm just gonna delete the scroll, and you can also save your designs. Save the designs, go here, and once you're done designing, what you need to do is to save and download. So you can only download your designs if you're a member, which I am. So it's free for everyone to use, free for everyone to design. So the last thing I want to show you is the templates. If you're not feeling like making a design, there are already ready-made templates that you can use right here. Let's just delete this one. Go to templates. Let's go with this one, spooky. That's how it's very easy. If you need more, just keep on scrolling. So designs are already been made for you. Everyone can use this. It's free for everyone to use, but you have to be a member to download this design and the mockup. So that's how it is, guys. If you want to go to a t-shirt maker, go directly to Vexels, link in the description. Go to discover, then click t-shirt maker, and it'll bring you directly into the t-shirt maker tool. So here's a summary of what you can do with your t-shirt maker. You can browse over 40,000 SVG graphics, play around with the text writing tools, download print-ready PNGs, get commercial and merch use licenses, and showcase designs in the mockups. So it's free for everyone to use. You should definitely take advantage of this. My design has downloaded, and I'm going to show you how to take away the background. So upload the design I just downloaded and go to edit, go to transparent background. Now click on the dark background and it's gonna change to transparent. You notice there's still some dark colors inside, so go back to transparent area, click on it, click on transparent color and click apply. So once we're done, you can see the result. It just removes the background. So that was one way to take away the background of your t-shirt design. Another way is to go to Slazzer. Is another tool I use to remove the backgrounds of my t-shirt designs. So once you're on the page, click upload the image and just hold on a few seconds. Once it's done processing, you see your t-shirt design without your background. So all you need to do is click download. And you're going to choose either an HD image, high definition, or a preview. I'm going to choose a high definition image. You just download the design in HD image. So another tool that I use to do my designing is Zazzle. If you haven't heard of it, just go to zazzle.com and go to create. So in several of my tutorials, I've shown you how to use Zazzle to create your t-shirt designs. But in this tutorial, since I've already created a design, I'm going to use that design. So I'm just going to drag my design and drop it. And when I'm done dragging in and dropping it, I'll go to digital, go to custom size, and change my size to 4500 by 5400 pixels. So I'm just going to remove that link, then put 4500, 5400 and apply. So everything has resized. All we need to do is resize the design. And once we're done resizing, you see those red lines, it guides you to putting your design in the center. So there's a red horizontal line and there's a red vertical lines. So just keep moving it till it shows you that you're in the center. Once you're in the center, you'll leave your design like that, then click download. So there it is. We have our design optimized for all the print on demand platforms. Our next step, I'm going to show you an additional platform that I use for my designs. So used to create my designs. So this brings me to Photopea. I mostly use Photopea only when I want to edit my designs that I got from Vexels. So I'll just show you what I do. So once I got a design from Vexels, by the way, you have to remember to download this PSD template, but I'm going to speak more about that later. So I came to Vexels and downloaded this PSD template from here. What it does is you change text and change colors, fonts to make the design yours. So I'll go back to Photopea and upload this design, upload the template. So once the template is done uploading, and by the way, Photopea is a free tool, it's a free online tool, and you can use it from your web browser in any device you want. So the first thing I'll do is to change this background. Click this eye icon and it's gonna give you a transparent design. So let me just put the design so I show you how I edit the text. So you go to text, you're gonna double click it, and we're gonna change this. So our design was dream big. So we're gonna go to Photopea and write dream big. You can see this text is too long, so we'll have to rearrange this text. So click Command and A to select everything. I'm using a Mac. I think on a PC it should be Control A to select everything. Then go to Edit, go to Transform and Scale. That lets you scale the design. So I'm just going to rearrange it and make it to fit the box. So once it is done fitting the box, we're going to go to File, then Save Smart Object. If you don't save it, your design is going to go back to what it was initially. After clicking Save Smart Object, the design is going to upload. The design is going to save. Then go back to your original design, and as you can see, it has updated. So the next thing you need to do is click this eye icon right here. It's going to remove the background, and that is it. All you need to do next is go to File, and if you want to change this color, just come right here and edit the color. If you want to change the gradient too, you just click it and change it. So anything that you want to change, the text, the color, the design, the background, everything is right here. Just double click it if you want to change. If you don't want it to be visible, just click the eye icon and it will be gone. So once you're done editing, just come back to File, click Save. So go to File, click Save, and it's going to download. So the next thing we need to do, let me just do a recap. As of now, we've created designs using Canva, created designs using Zazzle, created designs using Photopea, and remove the backgrounds of the designs using Lunapic. You can also use Slazzer to remove the background of the design. The next free website I'm going to talk about is Vexels. If you're following me for a while, you'll know I talk a lot about Vexels. That's because it's been an inseparable part of me. And earlier in the video, I showed you how I use Vexels to get this scalable PS t-shirt design, to create this design on Photopea. So let me just put it out there right now that if you want to get these scalable PS t-shirt designs, you need to be a member. And I recommend that you get the lifetime plan like I did. You only have to pay once and you never have to pay again. And you have access to these PSD scalable t-shirt designs as well as vectors, book covers, ready to download merch designs, the t-shirt design maker, mockup generator, and more. So if you like to learn more about Vexels, the link is in the description. But you can also get free vectors. All the vectors on Vexels are free. So if you want a vector, let's take for example animal vector, just click animal and click OK. you'll see all the animal vectors that are available. Or if you want a particular animal vector, let's take for example, type lion vector and scroll down to the one you want. Take for example this one right here, just click it and you can get this for free, guys. It's free for everyone if the vectors on Vexels are free. So if you want it, just click on the format you want in it. I'll go for PNG, then click the dimensions you want it. I'll go for 512 pixels. Once you click 512 pixels, it's just going to download automatically. So you have access to all these vectors. It's free. You can use it to create any of your print on demand t-shirt designs. So the next thing we need to do is to upload the designs to all the print on demand platforms. So the first upload automation tool of choice is Flying Upload. You can start with Flying Upload for free. Just come here, click the free version and can get 30 uploads per month for all the print on demand platforms. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is how Flying Upload looks. What you need to do is just come here and load. Once you've loaded the design, you can write the title, description and tags. I'm going to show you how to do that right here. So just write Dream Big, Best Gift, description. I'm just going to copy this. Description, tags, I'll just say Dream Big, or motivation, inspiration. And if you want to get more tags, just highlight one and click keywords. And you can click more keywords that you want. Success quotes, gift ideas, hard works, motivational saying, self-love. So all of this, if you want it, just click it. It's going to come down here. When you're done clicking, you're going to save it. Then you can highlight all the other places you want it to upload to. Or if you want all the designs to upload it to the clothing of men, women, and youth, you select it. If you want it on the black background, click back. If you want it on a white background, click the white background. But I'll be going with black background. So I've already put in my auto login information as well as the templates. So just go to the options, the settings, go to your templates, and as you can see, I already have templates right here. So select each of the platforms, put in your templates. There's going to be a walkthrough here in Flying Upload. Go to help. You'll see tutorials, and tutorials, click on tutorials and you'll take you back to their website and it'll show you all the tutorials you need to watch in order to know how to use Flying Upload. It's not difficult, just watch the tutorials and you'll be good to go. So once you're done setting up and uploading your design, the next thing is to upload your designs to all these print on demand platforms. For this demonstration, we're going to use Redbubble. Just click start and it's going to auto log in my information, and it's going to auto log in. So as you can see, it's just filling in the information that I want it to fill, and when it's done, it's going to, and this is it working on its own. I'm not touching anything. When it's done, it's going to save it. So once it's done, you'll see this upload reports, and that's how it's easy to upload your designs to all these print on demand platforms right here. So my second uploading tool of choice, and for Flying Upload, you can get 30 free uploads per month, but if you want to upgrade, you can use my link and my code Vanessa10 to get a 10% discount. And if you notice, you see here printful.com will soon be available. That means it's not yet available. That brings me to my second tool of choice, which is POD Connect. POD Connect has all these websites that you can upload to, and if you look closely, you will see POD Connect connects to all these platforms and including Printful. So that is why I use POD Connect, because it offers uploading to Printful, Printify, and other print on demand websites. So I use Printful for all the others except I use Flying Upload for all the other platforms except Printful, and I use POD Connect for Printful. So I'm just going to show you how POD Connect works. So right now, this is how POD Connect looks like, and You can upload to all these markets: Printful, Printify, Guten. Those are the print-on-demand fulfillment websites. But the print-on-demand platforms that you can upload your designs to is this Printable Spreadshirt, Zazzle. So I'm going to show you how to set up your template to upload to all these platforms. In this case, we're going to use Printful since Flying Upload doesn't yet offer uploading to Printful. So the first thing we're going to do is go to, for this tutorial, Purely Connect uses Excel spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So once Microsoft opens, get a new template, and in this template we're gonna write fill in these headings. The first will be description, the second will be tags, the first will be the path, the second will be the description, the third will be the tags, the fourth will be the price. So we're gonna choose a sample path. So what you want to do is go to your dashboard, go to your design. We're gonna left click it and click option to get the file path. I'm using Mac. I don't really know how it works with PC or the other laptops, so that's how I get the path for my design. Come back to your Excel sheet and paste it. So that's my description. Then for my tags, so we're just gonna copy this. This is my title. Oh yeah, we forgot title. So I'm just gonna write title here, paste this title there, and for the price, I'm uploading to a t-shirt, so I'm gonna price it at $17.99. And for the tags, I'm just gonna copy this from here, the ones we already have, and place and put it here. So once we are done, we'll have to save it, then go back to POD Connect, and we're gonna upload this as CSV. And that's one thing that I forgot to tell you. Once you want to save it as a CSV. So go to File and Save As, and we're gonna save it as a CSV right here. Click Save. So once you're done saving, come back to POD Connect, click Save and upload it. So this is what we uploaded. So we're going to go to Services, Printful. We're going to go to Services, Printful, and we're going to change this to Etsy. So what you want to do is grab your store URL, go to Printful, and if you don't yet have your Printful account, the link is in the description. So this is how Printful looks like. Go to stores and grab the URL of your Etsy store in this case. So you should be on a page like this where there is add product. Go to your header and grab the store URL before and sync. So we're going to copy that. So copy that, go back to POD Connect, paste it, then save. So it's going to bring this page of products. So we're going to go with t-shirt, and the t-shirt I like going for is the Gildan 64,000. Yeah, so I'll just type Gildan 64,000. This is it right here. So click it. It's the cheapest t-shirt. So I'm just going to select all the colors except white and gray, and select all the sizes, and we're going to map this to our file that we uploaded. So choose the data column. I'm going to choose the image file will be found in the path, and this is for the front print. I'm uploading only to the front. So go back to, I'm leaving all this empty because I'm not uploading to the left sleeve or the left chest to the center. I'm only uploading the front to the front. So for the mockup style, you're going to go back to Printful. So this is a t-shirt we're trying to upload to. I've already uploaded my design, but we're going to proceed to mockups. And in the mockups, you will see these names here. These are the names that you have to put in POD Connect. So the mockup that I want, or the one I usually use, is this flat mockups here. So I'm just going to copy this name, flat mockups, go back to POD Connect, and paste it here on the mockup style. Then paste it here under mockup style. So the next thing we need to do is match these categories here. For the title, I already replaced the title, so I'm going to write, it has already replaced the title. Your description will be your description, and your tax will be your tax, the price will be the price. So that is basically how you do it. It doesn't take time to set it up. So once you're done setting it up, go to Uploader, and alright, it says my tag length is more than 19 characters. But anyway, since this is demo, I'm just gonna upload it like that. But you should make sure that your tag length is not more than 19 characters. So you can always bring this down to show the details of why that is in red. It's gonna tell you that that this word is more than 19 characters. But if you want to do trademark check, it says no trademark check, no TM check. If you want to do trademark check, you're just going to click check here, and it's going to check if there's any if you're trademarking anyone's designs or words. So the next thing, it says check data before uploading. So once you're done checking your trademark, just click start uploading. And as you can see, it is working right now. I'm not touching anything. This is it working on its own. So it's just uploading the design to Etsy right now. It's going to choose the shirt, pick the design. So it's just filling the tags right now and all the other information. I'm going to fast forward it and show you when it has finished uploading the design. So here's the design that has been uploaded. I went to my draft, because once you upload with the POD, it goes to draft. You have to manually accept it because you need to pay 20 cents before you publish your design. That's why you have to manually publish it. So just come here, go to edit the design. These are the mockups that were included. So all you need to do is arrange whatever you want to arrange down here and click publish. So like I said before, POD Connect publishes to all these platforms, and with Printful uploads to all these platforms: Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Amazon, eBay, and more. So the ones that I will recommend that you use for now: Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Those are the ones that I've had success with. My most success comes from Amazon, and I did a video the other day showing you the walkthrough how to create an Amazon account, which is this one right here: Amazon FBM Seller Central Registration Step by Step. And I recommend that you do. I call it FBM because FBM is fulfilled by merchant. You are the merchant who has to fulfill it, unlike Amazon Merch, where Amazon are the ones who fulfill it. So that's the difference between Amazon FBM and Amazon Merch. I'm actually on both of them, Amazon Merch and Amazon FBM. But Amazon FBM is the one that produces the most income for me. And in this video, I go through the differences between Amazon FBM and Amazon Merch and why you should consider signing up for Amazon FBM. So back to POD Connect. With POD Connect, you can get it for $19.99 per month, but you have a 30-day free. You have a 3-day free trial. You can get a discount. You can get a 20% discount with the code BigMoneyOnline. The link is in the description. All the links to the tools I've made mention on in this video, all of them are found in the description. So in this video, I'm going to show you the 8 free online tools that you can use for your print-on-demand business. Congratulations to Joshua Richards and Nikki Bright for winning last week's giveaway. So contact me to claim your prize.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.